What we have here is a 36-inch Emerson Designer in brown. So this thing showed up on Facebook Marketplace about 2 hours from me. And it is in pretty decent shape. The blades are in really good shape, a few imperfections, but they're really good, and the fan itself is in really good shape. It does make a little bit of noise on, when it runs, because that nylon bushing is cracked. I'm gonna try to show it. There it is. There's a big crack in it. So it does make a little bit of noise. These things always make noise regardless, but this one makes more noise than usual. Now the whole thing is plastic, except for the down rod and the flywheel and the blade brackets, they're metal. But the canopy, the motor housing, the blades, and the switch housing are all plastic. Blades are very well built. They're very strong. They're not brittle, but unfortunately the canopy is quite brittle, especially where the screw goes. It did end up being cracked. That is not the original screw. It didn't come with one, so I had to put my own on there. And I put some super glue over that crack just to make it a little bit stronger, so that way the canopy can stay up. That's the pull chain there. It's really long. There's no extensions added. This is how it was originally. We'll start it up on low. This one here is 2 speeds, just like all of them are. As far as I know, all of them are. You can see it makes a little bit of a banging noise. I am not really going to worry about that, but if I ever, for whatever reason, have to repair it or service something and take the switch housing off, I will replace that bushing if I can manage to get one. But until then, I'm just going to leave it alone. And when I got it, the bearings were very good, which is always a good thing. Bearings are silent. That cracked bushing has a lot to do with that noise. I mean, of course, these always make noise with the switch housing, but like I said, this one's a bit worse than average due to that bushing. Pretty quick spin down. It's a really small fan, so that has to do with it. Bearings are perfect, so that's about all I have for this 36-inch Emerson Designer in brown.